Got a whole batch of these guitar pedals here that I coated yesterday with metallic orange, and today we are going to hot flock on the clear coat at about 180 C, and then go ahead and bake it for about 20 minutes, and that'll get us a really nice looking finish. Right now they're a little pink and pretty matte looking, but when they come out they will really look nice. Alright, now we set up the oven bake profile here to about 180 C. Usually run it for 20 minutes, that's fine. Start. And then we're going to preheat the parts and then spray the clear coat on. Alright, first batch of parts here, ready to go in for preheating. It'll take a few minutes. I've got a little thermal camera thing here, thermal gun, to see the temperature. Once they're, of course that was just the front lid. Once the parts are at about 230 degrees Fahrenheit, so I've got this in Fahrenheit right now, then I pull them out and I'm ready to hot flock on some clear coat. About 170 right now. Should be able to hot flock these on. Let's get the air compressor. They do look lovely. About 215, 210 degrees here. Once the powder contacts it, it should melt onto the surface. So here we go. The unit on the left here is before the clear coat. The one in the center was hot flocked, but not quite hot enough to melt it on contact consistently. And the third one here had a higher temperature when it was hot flocked. And you can clearly see there's more orange peel in the middle one, of an orange peel clear coat there, which is kind of ugly. Whereas the one on the right is really looking nice and shiny and nice and uniform. So you really do have to just lay this clear coat on like you wouldn't believe. You need a fairly high temperature because it's got to melt on contact and then continue to melt a little bit. And the high voltage doesn't really help you because you've already got a layer of paint on it, and the paint is an insulator, and so the high voltage doesn't do a whole lot with an insulator already there. So this is what you get by hot flocking it at a higher temperature. You just get that really nice clear finish there, which looks just beautiful. That's what you're after.